I've asked a lot of my female friends, and one thing common to all of my female friends that I've asked this question is they don't know how to make their hair, but they know how to make cornrows. Because you have to just learn, right? Otherwise you just spend thousands of naira if you're converting, or huge amount of dollars to get a simple hair done. I'm not discouraging you approaching artisans. I love approaching artisans, but there are some things that you can do for yourself and save some extra bucks. Into this video, I'm going to be showing you how to have this frontal for beginners like myself. So stay with me. Hey guys, so I'm going to be showing you how to make my install. I'm not a professional, but this is just how I would install my hair. Hair is from AliExpress. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly wig that you wanna, try for your everyday look, then I would definitely recommend the AliExpress. It's fast, especially if you're buying from a trusted supplier. Make sure you verify before you purchase. I wouldn't say it's the best quality, but I know that it is good and it can serve you quite a good amount of time. So if you cannot wait, let's dive right into the video. This is how it came from AliExpress. Let's see what we have. We have a wig cap that came with it, and importantly, I have the wig. This is what it looks like. So it has an elastic band right here. It's a very shabby wig, you guys. Don't bother about it. I'm gonna be trying this. Oh my god, I have two of them. Great. Brushing it lightly. Take everything, including the last strand if possible. So I got this from Shein, and it's just gonna help me keep the hair together. Okay, so that is so good. Very good. Look at my bunny. I'm gonna add the G2B. I like to start from here. would do is to typically cut the fern, because that is most essential. So I'm gonna be zooming this close and just showing you. One secret is to not go straight, but to just kind of give it a zigzag cut. It looks very, 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 very natural. You know, you can see it on the side. And you know it's gonna be like this, right? But no, you can actually start like this. That was the reason why you had this cut here. Again, this is done. Look at how neat it is. Now don't worry if you see a little bit of patch like here, don't worry, we're gonna seal it back. And like here as well, you don't have to worry. This is very neat enough. Whatever you're gonna do on it is gonna be the finishing. Okay, so let's cut this now. You can go ahead and cut even more if you feel like you want to take it in bits. I'm just gonna clean this up.